Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode and explain all of its settings on your Realme Narzo 50A Prime, but it also works the same way on any Realme Narzo 50 series. So in order to enable our Do Not Disturb mode, there's actually a few ways. So the first one is to scroll down our toolbar. Scroll down again. I changed the brightness by accident, sorry. Okay, scroll down again, and from here you can enable Do Not Disturb like this. I have the option selected that it asks me for how long I want to use it, so let's just enable it for until you turn off. The second way to enable it is to go by settings, find sound, and then go to Do Not Disturb. So here you can turn it off or on, like that. Let's keep it turned off for now and move through all of the settings. So the first setting you see is a people. Let's press on it, and here you can pick which of the groups of people can actually reach you while being in this mode. So the first one is conversations, and you can change it for specific settings. So for example, let's select all conversations or priority conversations, and you can change the settings right here, if you have any contacts, of course. The next option is calls. You can press on it, and here you can select which calls are able to reach you. The start contacts are basically your favorites list. Contacts are your contacts list, so everyone who is written in your contact list will be able to reach you. Anyone means anyone, and no one means no one. And if you press on no one, you can allow repeated calls. So if somebody really tries to reach you, like calls you 2 or 3 times at the same time, your phone will ring normally if this setting is enabled. Let's go back to messages, and it works as calls, but it's messages, so you can just pick whatever group you want for this specific activity. Let's go back. We can move to the apps, and here you can select apps. So for example, let's choose Chrome, and here you can customize all of the settings available for the Do Not Disturb mode for this specific app. You can customize it however you want. So the next option is alarms and other interruptions, and here you can change multiple settings like alarms in Do Not Disturb mode, enable media sounds in Do Not Disturb modes, touch sounds while being in the DND mode, reminders and calendar events. The middle option is schedules, and you can add multiple schedules however you want. So you can add bedtime, sleep time, just press add more, select specific option and choose the name for it. So let's call it sleeping. Press add, and you can start creating schedule. You can select specific days in which it's gonna work, start time, end time. Alarm can override the end time, and Do Not Disturb behavior. So just change any settings you want. Now the 2 last options are duration for quick settings. You can open it, and that's what I mentioned in the beginning of the video. So right now it's ask every time. So when we open Do Not Disturb mode right here, it will ask me for how long I want to have it. If you change it to 1 hour, it won't ask you, it will just use it for 1 hour, and you can also do it for the unrestricted period of time, so you can do it until you turn it off. The last option is to display options for hidden notifications, and you can also customize it a lot. You can do whatever you want here. Just go for a custom if you want and change any of the settings. You can enable to no sound from notifications, and that way you will see notifications, but they will not give any sound. You can also enable no visuals or sound from notifications. That way you won't see any notifications, and you also won't get any sound. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.